welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all very well. If you are new to the channel, my name is Sophie. I make 3 videos on this channel every single week on Sundays, Tuesdays and Thursdays, and I would love it if you could join our beautiful YouTube family by subscribing down below. For today's video, I came up with a good idea and I think you guys would really like to see it, judging by your kind of comments on my recent videos. You guys kind of wanted to see like the healthy stuff at Aldi. I'm doing a get fit with me journey at the moment. I'm trying to like lose a little bit of extra weight, get a bit fit, get, you know, some good nutrition in my body, build myself up, get some muscles. I don't have many muscle. Today I thought I would review the Slimwell range in Aldi, and I recently came across the Slimwell range when I was browsing their vegetarian frozen section. I only picked the stuff from the vegetarian section, but the Slimwell section in Aldi is huge. There are so many things, lots of like curries, lots of meals basically that you could get. I'm trying out the vegetarian Slimwell range this week. Obviously if you're not a vegetarian it doesn't matter because food is food and this is good food. So I'm going to show you guys what is the best to get, what tastes the nicest. It's also super duper affordable. I think everything is £1.99 and these are big meals. These portions are big. So that's what we're going to do in today's video. I hope you're excited. If you are, give it a thumbs up. Remember to be leaving any comments down below of certain videos you want to see on this channel. But today, let's go test out the ALDI Slimwell. Let me tell you what I think and let me recommend the best ones to spend your money on. Okay, the first ALDI Slimwell meal we are going to try today is this one. This is the ALDI 3-bean vegetable chili. I think this is like a vegetarian version of chili con carne, but it looks delicious. It's got loads of kidney beans in, lots of Tex-Mex flavors, to be honest. So it's more like a Mexican type food. The spiciness in this says it is medium strength. Now I have actually tried something else medium strength from Aldi before and it was super spicy. So if you're good with spicy food, we're all good here. But I will let you know if this is really spicy. I have never tried it before, but it looks so nice. I was thinking to just cook this on its own, warm it up and eat with a spoon or some tortilla chips. I am someone who needs carbs, so I really feel like I need to add carbs to this meal. I've just seen that there are 293 calories per meal. So in this it's only 293 calories, which is basically nothing. I'm not really a calorie counter, but that's definitely less calories than I would normally eat in a meal. Okay, so to cook this meal, all I need to do is put it in the microwave at full power for 6 minutes, stir and recover, and then put in for another 6 minutes. So it's going to take 12 minutes in total. Shall we put it in the microwave? I'm quite hungry. I'm having this for my lunch today. So yeah, let's just go. Let's try it out. Okay, so meal number 1 is now in front of me. I will say initial impressions, it is a lot more watery than I thought. I thought it would be like a lot thicker, but it's actually quite watery. I think it would go really well with rice. I'm going to test it now. I don't actually know what it tastes like. I normally eat everything with water. This is just my Hydrate Mate big 2-litre bottle of water. You can get these everywhere though, in Primark and everything, like pink as well. I'm also not sure if I read the instructions right, but it did say 6 minutes uncover, then 6 minutes, but 12 minutes seemed a very long time, so I took it out around after 8 minutes in total because it was just in there for so long and it was like bubbling, like volcanic bubbling. It was so hot. Just to let you know, this thing on top didn't come with it, this brown stuff. This is actually chia seeds. Chia seeds are a known superfood. They are so good for you. I highly recommend adding them to meals when and where you can. Let's go. Oh, that is so nice. Oh my gosh, that is actually delicious. Didn't think it would taste like that. It tastes very tomatoey based, really nice. It's not actually too spicy. I'm gonna get something with the kidney beans on because kidney beans are one of my fave. But it is absolutely packed with vegetables. You can actually feel it. It's got onions and everything in. Okay, That is so good. I'm not even just saying that. That is actually really nice. I would definitely have this regularly for dinner, especially as the calories are so low and the portion is so big. The camera doesn't really do things like this justice. The camera makes things look smaller, but this bowl is quite big and it's filled the whole bowl. I'm probably going to give this one a 7.5 out of 10. Maybe it deserves an 8 actually. I'm going to give this one an 8. This one deserves an 8. It is delicious. It's like full packed of vegetables, really nice ones as well. It tastes very much homemade and also has really nice flavouring. So I think this is definitely an 8 out of 10. I'm 100% going to be buying it again. I will say as time is going on, it's getting a little bit spicier. So if you aren't good with spice, you might not enjoy this because it is quite like there's a lot of punch in there. I'm going to finish this off now. I would recommend that you add rice with this. It would be delicious with rice. Hello. So yeah, really nice, very good for you. I'm happy. I'm a happy gal when lunch goes well. It's a new dawn, it's a new day. Don't sing. Okay guys, it is a new day and today we are testing out the second Slimwell ALDI meal. And I'm excited about this. I'm having this for my lunch today and I'm super excited because I'm so hungry right now. I've had a really busy morning and I've also done a workout, so I'm at the stage where I'm like shaking with hunger, which is always a good thing when I have a massive meal to go through. I'm going to try another one of the ALDI ready meals. They are ready meals, so they're really actually super convenient, and from what I've seen, they're super duper healthy. We are going to try out the Slimwell vegetable biryani. This one I've never actually ever tried before, and I don't know anyone who has tried it before, so it's very brand new. I haven't heard anything about it. I just want to show you kind of what it looks like. It is basically full of rice, sauce and veg. So we have peas, onions, peppers, just normal white rice I think, and then like a sauce under the rice. I think that does look really nice. It looks homemade, it looks kind of fresh. Obviously it's going to be a lot nicer once it's cooked, so we need to put it in the microwave to see what it is actually like. 6 minutes stir and recover 6 minutes. So I put it on the top heat. Okay, so I mean it does take a while to cook, but yeah, this is not frozen. So on the second round of 6 minutes, I'm definitely going to keep an eye on it because I have actually defrosted this. I took it out of the freezer this morning. Okay, oh, it's very exposed. Hello. Okay, the food is now ready. I must say, first impressions, it smells delicious. Like, it smells so good. So that's always a bonus. I've also noticed there are cauliflowers in this curry, and there's something about cauliflower that I don't like in any other meal apart from curry. Shall we eat it? It's got some sweet potato in there, or swede, I'm not sure. Just quickly, I want to say again, the portion is massive. You have to remember that the camera actually makes everything look a little bit smaller, but the portion is huge. And I was just having this thought in my head that this will be so affordable. Like, say if you had 2 children and that was their dinner, just half each of this, and then maybe just like little sides, and it would just be like a whole dinner. And these things are only £1.95, but also it could be for like you and your boyfriend or your girlfriend, and you could just share the portion and then maybe add some like little Indian snacks like onion bhajis and things like that. Let's try it anyway. Okay, that is actually so nice. I'm not just saying that. It's also not very spicy, which is good. Like, we need a non-spicy alternative. That is really good. That is so nice. And I like ricey dinners. Like, I like dinners with a lot of rice, and it has tons of rice. Let me try a bit with the sweet potato or swede. That's a delicious. That's a new favourite of mine. I'm not joking. That is probably a new favourite, and considering it's actually really low in calories, make in the evenings as I'm trying to get fit right now. It's not too spicy, there's tons of veg in there, loads of rice, the sauce is really nice. I highly recommend it. So for me, I would say this is like an 8.5 out of 10. I'm not joking. So my whole life, like I would occasionally get microwave type Indian food just to throw in the microwave, because I really like Indian flavours, and sometimes it's just really easy to get something from the supermarket. Out of every single supermarket I've tried M&S, Sainsbury's, Asda, Waitrose, everywhere, Aldi has so far, and I'm not just saying it, I'm not sponsored, I'm not being asked to say that, Aldi has so far kind of trumped them all. I mean, obviously this is not as good as going to like a really nice Indian restaurant or India itself, but it's actually still so good. Hello and welcome back. It's only been like 2 seconds for you. It's been a whole day for me. I am now, look, I'm in my gym gear as always. Living in the gym gear life. I am actually just about to head out because my boyfriend and I have taken up the challenge of couch to 5k, so that's why I'm in my running gear, because we're gonna go running, yeah, in about an hour. And first I need to eat some lunch. As you can see, my eyes are really dark because holy crap, hay fever is a real thing, guys. Anyway, I need to try out the other ALDI Slimwell curry. So far I've liked the past two. This one is a sweet potato curry. I have tried it before, I haven't tried it in a while, so I can't really remember, to be honest, but let's go try it out. Okay, can you see me? God, my eyes look really bad. When people moan about hay fever, take them seriously because it's not fun, guys. Okay, so similar to the others, this is 7 minutes in the microwave cover and then 7 minutes again. So this one I think looks the best out of all of them. Can you see the fact that it's like so fresh? It looks like fresh veg, basically cut up and put on top, so it just looks really appetizing in my opinion, and definitely something that is worth more than £1.95. So yeah, let's put it in the microwave, test out what it is. Right, ignore my hair today, I'm just not getting the whole running bun to grips. Okay, so I have the curry here. I've let it stand for like 5 minutes because I really can't bear burning my gums. First of all, it smells delicious. It looks really nice. Again, this is like a really low calorie type of meal. This is probably going to be my heaviest meal of today, and then tonight I'm just going to kind of snack on little bits, only because I know that this will fill me up and I won't want something stodgy for dinner. This does have stodge in it, but it's kind of good stodge, like sweet potato stodge, so it's kind of low calorie. Yeah, you just feel good about eating it. It's probably not a great idea to eat this and then go running. It's probably going to just repeat on me over and over again. One thing I will say straight away, it smells like really sweet. Like you can smell the spices, but it also smells, what are you doing? Also smells super duper sweet, and I've read the ingredients and it has like a little bit of mango in there and mango chutney, but it's still really low in sugars, so I don't think it's like so much you have to worry about. Anyway, the portion's huge. This isn't all of it, by the way. I've just put a bit aside for the boyfriend because he likes this as well. So let's go. Honestly, so good. Honestly, so good. This is probably my favourite out of the 3 I have tried so far. Probably because it's just so full of flavour, and I really love spinach. I love spinach in everything. I especially like spinach in like cooked food when it goes all sloppy. I don't know why, don't ask me. That is so good. Highly recommend. Oh my gosh. I would probably give this a 9 out of 10. And the only reason it isn't a 10 out of 10 is purely because it's like that sweetness makes me feel like I'm not eating something healthy. It doesn't put me off, it just kind of makes me avoid it. But I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10 based on the flavour. I mean, it's delicious, got loads of spices. This is something that I can imagine making at home and it tasting the same, like real homemade type food. So I'm going to give this one a 9 out of 10. I was actually really happy. Also, I do want to know if you do like these type of videos where I'm kind of talking about food and recommended meals you should get and food you should eat if you're trying to be healthy while also not cutting back. I hate the idea of dieting or like healthy living but then eating less. I need to eat the same, otherwise I feel annoyed. So if you want to see me talk more about this kind of stuff, then do let me know in the comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up so I know you're enjoying these videos. I have some really exciting things coming up soon and they're so exciting, I can't wait to tell you. But yeah, I don't know when to tell you, but it's really exciting. It's kind of linked to why I'm making so many of these videos. Yeah, I'm really excited. Don't forget guys, I upload every single Sunday, Tuesday and Thursday. I know the last few weeks I haven't uploaded 3 times a week, you know, consistently, and it's mainly because of like how busy I am right now, but there are some super duper exciting things coming up, so I'm excited to show you. If you're not already, follow me on Instagram because I do a lot of foodie things over there. As I'm uploading probably 3 times a week, I will see you again very, very soon. So thank you for watching and I love you very much. Mwah. Bye.